Hello everyone, welcome back once again in this Python full course series. In today's video we will discuss more about datetime module. If you didn't watch previous video, please watch it. You can find link from my button or you can find link in description below. So if you're ready, let's start today's video. Date class in Python. The date class represents only the date component, year, month, and day, without the time. For example, if you need to print current date, you can use date class to print the current date. Here is the example how you can print current date in Python. First you need to import date class from datetime module, and then you can use date.today function to print it. Save the Python file, and open your command prompt, type Python space file name, press enter, you will see the expected output. Even you can print specific date by defining year, month, and day. Here is the syntax how you can print specific value. Time class in Python. The time class represents only the time component, hour, minute, second and microsecond. Here is the example of how you can use time class in Python. Run the Python file to see the expected output. Formatting and parsing datetime objects in Python. You can format datetime objects into strings using the strtime method and parse strings into datetime objects using the strtime function. This is the example of how you can format datetime object in Python. Run the Python file to see the change. Time delta in Python. The time delta class represents the difference between two datetime values. It's useful for performing arithmetic operations on datetime values. Here is the example of time delta. We are adding 7 days in current date time to get future date. Run the Python file to see the expected output. These are the basic concepts of working with dates and times using the datetime module in Python. It's important to note that the datetime module offers a wide range of functionalities, so refer to the official Python documentation for more in-depth information and examples. Thank you for joining me today on this journey into the Python datetime module. If you found this video inspiring or thought-provoking, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more mind-bending content. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. I'd love to hear your take on this video. Stay curious, stay creative, and remember, the future is an infinite palette of possibilities.